Mackenzie Hansen.
And what do you like about the auto program?
I like how involved it is. I like how everybody wants to help each other out, and I like how I got to touch cars and mess with cars during my first few weeks.
So how is it like working with your peers and your instructors?
Great. Everyone's great. Everyone's really sweet and respectful. Everyone wants to make sure that everyone can see what is going on at all times. It's a good community.
How long have you been a student here?
4 months.
Months? Oh, so you're almost done. That's experience. So since you're almost done, like you're about to graduate, so like do you know like what you want to do after graduation yet? Or?
I would like to go work for a dealer. I would like to specialize in electrical and probably engine rebuilding, going that realm. Thank you.
So what's your name?
My name is Kaiser Jackson.
And what do you like about the auto program?
I like the fact that after you learn about the program, then and only then will you come out and work on your own personal vehicles, and the accessibility, like the amount of bays that's here.
And so what don't you like about the program?
Not really much. They've been accommodating with people that work here, such as Dave and different instructors, and how ways to make the program better. They've been improving the list. They've been around here working nonstop to get this place nice. So I can't really speak bad on it as of now. So
what are you trying to do after you graduate?
Either become a mobile mechanic or work in a shop. My mom sent me a listing on the city. They're hiring technicians for their mobile fleet and their delivery fleet. So hopefully I can either land a job there or who knows, probably become a mechanic though, obviously.